Hi there, thanks for joining me to paint some lovely gum leaves in transparent layers. I picked these gum leaves from my neighbour's tree, and we had a lovely conversation about all the different lovely insects that eat the gum leaves. This one is particularly marvellously well eaten by grubs and things. So, oh, look at that, there's a little insect that's dropped straight onto my paper. Here's the colours that I'm going to be using to paint the gum leaves. That's yellow on the colour wheel. The yellow that I'm using is aureolin yellow, beautiful transparent yellow. I've also got out some Van Dyke brown. The blue I have is cobalt blue. Quite an expensive pigment, but well worth it, cobalt blue. And I do have some quinacridone violet, so violet. Right, let's get going. I've already mixed up some green, some cobalt blue, and some aureolin yellow, and that's it here. And I'm going to start with an incredibly light, pale version of this green. So I'm squeezing in heaps of water. I'm going to wait for that to dry before painting the next layer of watercolor leaves that are going to be painted over the top. So I want to use a little bit of this really lovely dark, really pale wash, but I need a darker version as well. So, right, is it darker? That's all I want, is that it's darker than that. Beautiful first green. Right, they're lovely and wet, so I'm going to enhance. Bits of brown. I think that's enough for that layer. Okay, I'm going to let that settle. Oh, no, I'm going to correct that up there. Right, how's that? Oh, that's lovely. That's a lovely grey green. All right, I'm going to paint the stem in this light green, because then I can adjust it, or I can drop a colour in if I feel like it. And as I put the stem in, I need to be thinking about, do I cross these lines? Here are my leaves, just bring them in nice and close. Do I cross these lines? Because I'm thinking about a third set of leaves, which sits around here. So I could come in that way to there. And I'll drop in a little bit of dark. A little bit. That's nice. I'll just put in a tiny bit of brown. I have one that comes from behind like that. It's beautiful on one side, and the oops, big drip. The other side is half eaten. Brown again. Okay. I think I'll put one of these cute little wispy things that come out. Oops, I was a bit heavy-handed, so it looks like a leaf. Better make it into a leaf now. Touch of brown. I'm nearly finished. I think that as I love to do, finishing with a little bit of a splatter is always lovely. I'm going to maybe keep this clean and I'll leave that as it is. And I'm going to splatter with the colours that I've been using. So I've got this beautiful green, that's the dark green there. And here goes. I'm going to get rid of some of them, just softening off those ones. Soften them as well. Soften that one. A little bit more colour around the vignette look I've got going. Yeah, I've kept the crispness of the darkest leaves, and I think that will do. Very subtle vignette, but it's there. And I think I'm done. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much. Please like it if you press like if you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye.